There's millions and millions of little baby metamorphed spadefoots. Just so many of them everywhere. Hopping, hopping, hopping. All up
Oh, I can see it from here. And they're all up in this embankment too.
Yeah. You know?
Yeah. These are all spades.
Yeah, spadefoot metamorphs. Oh wow.
I guess, yeah, we don't need this one anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, spadefoot metamorph. Tortoise? What's up, buddy? Oh, I love gopher tortoise. I'm walking this edge. It's a really good spot for snakes, obviously, because there's water there. There's all this vegetation in the water. It creates a lot of biodiversity with animals. Just a great ecosystem. Food chain. So I'm walking this edge, looking into the bottoms of the grass. You look through the grass to the bottom as much as you can, because anything that was on top will stand out anyway. Your eyes going to see it. So you want to look through the grasses as best you can for any little differences that you see in there. Lots of times you see bottles and cans and paper and things, and that's good. If you're seeing stuff in between the grass like that down the bottom, you're seeing where the snakes are. Sometimes if you're lucky, like see, I see right here, there's something there, it's a can or something. Yeah, so that's what you want to see. If you're seeing those, you can see a snake. Just got to keep an eye for anything different. I'm walking this edge back and forth, and the opposite side has the same situation. So I'm walking along here. There's a pygmy rattlesnake right there. Saw me. Another pygmy. Jeez. He's walking up on a racer. A racer. Getting the last bit of sunlight. In those last video clips, you saw the racers and the two pygmies that I hiked up. I'm going to a new spot that I haven't been to in a long time. I used to go there a couple times back in 2011, maybe 2010, 11. Walking this edge, looking for anything abnormal in the grass, through the grass, basking, crawling, walking an edge. Walking the edge, you can see how I was saying, you look through the grass, and in this grass here is a rat snake. And there you go. It's a nice one. Oh. So there was a second one right next to it. I thought it looked kind of big, and it was just sitting here while I was holding the other one. Wow, wow, wow. I guess these guys are gonna mate. So I'm gonna let them go so they can get at it. Wow, that's cool. Nice big red rat snakes. Red rat snake, huh? It's another one. This is a different one. Wow. I just got 2 of these mating over there. I walked, this isn't what you saw, right? You saw black.
Rat snake.
Yeah, that's a rat snake, yeah. Yeah, watch.
That sounds a lot like rattler snake.
There you go.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. That's my it's my 3rd one today. Well, I hiked today from 9 o'clock in the morning till 1, going up and down the edge. But I've been hiking for the last few weeks. This is my 10th trip here today. So far I've got those pygmy rattlesnakes there, some racers, and now today the 3 corn snakes, red rat snakes. So I'm finding different stuff. The diversity is pretty good, and I still got a feeling I'm going to get a surprise there. So I'm really going to hit this spot. I guess in between the sand hills, I'll be doing this one too, because sand hill time is getting real close. It's almost May. But seeing those 2 corn snakes mating today, that was really cool. I didn't even see that second one. I thought it was just one long snake. So that was really fun. It's just a corn snake day today. You know, you never know what the flavor is going to be of the day. And then I found that 3rd big corn snake, red rat snake, crossing a path where I was. So, pretty cool. Wow, I would have never seen it. I would have thought it was a stick.
I saw it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
He's doing his sun dance.
You want back and take pictures later? Get a video like that. Get a video like that doing this. It's hilarious.
So, I just came across a turkey nest with eggs. And my pine snakes study used to eat these things. They're crazy. Could find them on the nest eating them.
Red belly cedar.
Yeah.
Simus, Nelsoni.
I'm not sure if the...
Or it could be a peninsula.
No, that's not a peninsula. I don't think it's a peninsula. And they're not always red underneath. This could be a peninsula.
I think it is because it has the dots under the marginals.
Yeah, there's...
Send it to Parker. Like, oh, you guys are fucking idiots.
Yeah, I know.
It's still not a good picture.
It's an oak toad. Got a stripe on the back. Cool. A southern toad. Interesting color on him. Go. Thank you very much, Garrett. Got you your coach, John.
All right.
Big monster. I walked by.
Yeah, it's like...
I walked by and I heard and I heard some shaking. I heard a noise.
Oh, it's got me in the nuts.
That's why they call it a Coachwhip.
Here. Kind of choke up a little. Yeah, there. There you go. Yeah, and it's not a little one either.
Yeah. Finally got a snake bigger than 3 feet long.
Look me in the face.
Wow.
And growl at me. They're one of the coolest freaking snakes, man. And they eat anything they want, venomous or otherwise. They just overpower it.
Yeah, they just tear them up too. Like velociraptors, they just
Really?
they just grab and start chewing.
They don't constrict or anything.
Yeah, they grab until they either can swallow them or they chew them until they're like incapacitated. Yep, they're pretty ferocious eaters. There's not too much they don't eat that doesn't
I'm gonna
move.
get a face shot.
Yeah,
Look how it looks. It just,
Yeah.
it's thinking. You can see it.
it's like,
What can I bite next?